look how cute it is. Give me this little corgi here. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. This is what it looks like. So I guess this is a gift to myself. And then the middle, chocolate coin. We will place this somewhere and we'll always think of this time. And hi guys, so this is probably part 3 of my birthday series or birthday vlog. I really wasn't expecting it to be so long or so eventful, but this year I've just been so lucky and so blessed to be able to spend time with my friends, my boyfriend, and my family. So yeah, this is part 3. This will be basically everything that I got for my birthday. I popped in my balloons. I am 26 now. It is my 26th birthday, and I know not everyone watches my videos, so I'm filming at my best friend's house. We're neighbors, and she's kind enough to let me film here. Her apartment is just more quiet, so it's a lot easier for me. And I just want to reiterate that this is not meant to brag. This is just everything that I was gifted for my birthday. I didn't particularly ask for anything. Everyone's relationship with whoever, your boyfriend, your parents, your friends, is different. Everyone's financial situation is different. This is purely my experience, my birthday, and I hope you guys enjoy me sharing with you guys. I didn't have to share with you guys what I got, but I just thought it would be an interesting video to update you guys, to share with you what's going on in my life and everything like that. So yeah, if you guys like videos like these or just want to say happy birthday, please give this video a like, and if you want to share anything with me, just comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. So to get started, I'm not sure if you guys are new here or if you guys have been subscribers or followers, but I do have a slight lisp. That's because this year I decided to get Invisalign, and I know, like, my friends and even you guys tell me that there's nothing particularly wrong with my smile, but there are some issues with my teeth that I have for myself that I will be making a completely separate Invisalign video. So yeah, basically I decided to get Invisalign this year. I brought up my little Invisalign package that I got, so I guess this is a gift to myself. It just so happened to fall around my birthday time. I've been really interested in it like the past year. I just noticed some things about my teeth that I want to change, and I have the ability to, so I just quickly will show you guys what I got in like this little Invisalign setup. So it comes with a box. It has where the case used to be. I think I have the case. You have a little case in here, and then you have these like little cleaning crystals, little booklet about everything, super cute box, and then I got a few trays from the dentist. So yeah, I did have to go back and everything, and again, I will be making a separate video, so if you guys are interested in that, just stay updated with me. You guys can click bell notifications if you want notifications for times when I upload. You guys can check my Instagram. I usually talk about like what videos are in progress, ask for your ideas and polling and stuff. It's a really cute community over there. So yeah, that was my gift to myself. It's a huge investment of time and money, but you know what? I want to make the change, so that was my gift to myself. Just want to quickly talk about some items that I got for my best friend Trey. She just made my birthday like so special this year. She did me like a little surprise decoration like with corgis and stuff, so that was so cute. I'll include like a little video in here, but it's also in like part 1 of my birthday series. Check that out if you guys are interested. And she did give me this little corgi here. His name is Chobi. Yeah, that is I don't think I shared with you guys, like, but me and Cody love dogs. We particularly like corgis. On top of that, we do like dachshunds and we do like golden retrievers. When we do move out, we will be getting a real one, but after now, this guy more than meets all of my criteria for hugs. But yeah, his name is Chobi. We spell that C-H-O-B-B-I-E. Yeah, so basically one of my family members has a dog named Joby with a J, and me and Cody have the same initials, so we want all of our pets and all of our children to begin with C. Yes, we are crazy like that. But yeah, this is Chobi. He had a little spa day yesterday. My best friend steamed him out. I'll ask her to send me a picture of how he came. He's from Amazon, and he was totally squished. So he has a better life now, and look at his little butt and look at his little pink feet. So cute. I love him so much. Thank you, Trey. On top of that, she got me some gifts. This Quip floss starter kit. So it's really cool because it's reusable, and again, with my teeth journey, I definitely, like before this, I was terrible with oral hygiene. Like, don't even get, I'll talk about it later. Having Invisalign requires you to floss a lot and keep your teeth clean. She got me this floss set. It's so cool. I love the packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's so cool. It has a little mirror and a little magnetic floss holder. This is reusable, and basically you just like shoot it open, grab this, and then rip it. So cool. And yeah, that's how you floss. I think she got it at Target. So if you guys are interested, check it out. It's at Target. So cool. Not sponsored. Nothing is sponsored. Actually, if anything, this video is sponsored by Cody because you guys will see. Came across this lotion when we were hanging out in the summer. I don't know how to say this brand, and I'm not even going to try, but I love this set, and Trey is such a good gift giver because she gets me items that like I would get myself, and like we haven't even spoke about it, but she buys me them, and like they're just so thoughtful, and I'm just really glad to have her in my life. So yeah, this is the sea salt grapefruit scent, and I love it so much. It's a really nice light fragrant lotion, and it doesn't leave like a residue or anything. And then she got me, she's so extra, and she knows that I'm so extra. So she got me a silk face mask from Slip. We talk a lot about a lot of things, but we talk a lot about things that we buy. I'm sure you and your friends do as well. I bought a eye mask from Slip, and I love it. I see this one in passing a lot at Nordstrom, and I guess she thought of me and bought me one. So this is what it looks like on. It's so soft and so smooth, and it's just really nice and really luxurious. So thank you so much, Trey. I love it so much. And then I don't know if you guys follow my YouTube channel, but basically Cody gifted me first Cartier piece, which is the Love Bracelet. It is the original thickness size, and it is in gold, and it is a size 16. So yeah, I had a lovely shopping experience. If you guys saw in part 1, they threw me like a surprise shopping experience. I feel so played. If you guys saw my the Cartier unboxing video, like I wanted the ring as well because it just made the set like so much more glamorous. But Cody convinced me to like really cherish this piece as a gift and hopefully get the ring at a later time, so at least each of them have their own like thing. But turns out Cody just like was convincing me not to buy it, so basically I'm sharing with you guys what I got on that day. Thank you again to Violetta for such a crazy special experience. She gave me so many goodies, and she even gave my best friends that came along goodies. This is so extra. I don't think I deserve any more birthday gifts. I think for as long as I live. And I'm just so grateful. I'm not trying to make myself cry, although Cody wants me to cry. But yeah, I hope the voice cracks are enough for Cody. But yeah, I'm just so grateful. And with that, I'm just going to jump into it. So we did go back for the ring. And also Cody told Violetta about my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this, hi Violetta, thank you so much for such an amazing experience. You really make Cartier like such a special thing for me, my friends, and my boyfriend, so thank you so much. So this is the Love Bracelet. I did open it on my birthday just so I could wear it, but I put it back in the paper wrapping. This is what it looks like, a beautiful red box. It comes with the little box inside. I love the ring box. Like, look how cute it is. So this is what I got. This actually is the thinner one. I tried on both thicknesses and I liked the thinner one better, probably because I have like short fingers and everything, so Yeah, this is a size 7. Oh my god, I'm so happy with it. It's so cute. Doesn't it just like shine and twinkle together? So this is a size 7 or a French 54 or something like that. I got this one. I also, before I was even interested in getting the love bracelet because it's so expensive, something that was more in my budget was the necklace. I've been looking at the love necklace for a long time now. Most of the time I don't wear any necklaces or earrings to bed because I found that that's more comfortable for me, so I kind of like just never looked into it because it's something that I would wear all the time and don't really want to be bothered with taking it on and off. But I tried this on in the store and it's stunning. I loved it. I definitely thought like it's just something I'm going to come back for, like, you know, maybe when I turn 30 or another birthday, like a gift to myself. Cody was kind enough to buy this for me on the day that we went shopping, so I'm just so lucky. Like, I don't know. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Beautiful box. So this one's already open a little, but let's close it and open it again. So this is what it looks like. I put it back in here last night because I wanted to wear it yesterday, but it's basically like 2 tiny little rings interlocked, and they have like the love design on them, and it's a little necklace. So it's so cute. I love it so much. I guess let me put it on for you guys. But basically I'm going to go back to add a jump ring so I can wear it shorter and wear it longer. I actually didn't know that Cartier offers something like that, so I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys like that feature and adds to the wearability of a necklace like this. I'm gonna put on the love necklace just to show you guys, and I want to share with you guys like the changes that I want to make. And I actually think this is my first time like having anything real gold. I just get like the plated gold or costume jewelry, so this is like really nice. This is where it falls on me. So you see, like when I wear a crew neck, it goes on the clothing. Like I want the option to wear it higher where it sits like this so it can shine like against my skin. So I think we're going to add like a jump ring here. Me and Violet already talked about it. So we're going to add a jump ring in the middle somewhere, and then I can also wear it longer here. So it's perfect. I love it so much. Once she said I could like change it, I was like, wow, I get like 2 bracelets in one. So that was amazing. I just want to put it back because I don't know, I just treasure them and I want to keep them safe and everything. So let me put it back. I'll put it back in the box. And their packaging is stunning, and I will be stacking it with all of my jewelry that I own now. I love all of my jewelry that I have now. The Cartier pieces are just like extra special. Speaking of keeping it safe, I want to share some little extra things that I think they come with purchase. So I was given this is a necklace case. So it's bigger, but it's to keep the necklace safe. So here it is. This is Cartier here, and then it's like this little tray or flat thing. And it has buttons here, so you just pop them open, put your necklace inside, and then snap it shut. So I definitely like could see myself using this to store necklaces when I'm traveling, you know, when we can travel again. And then I got another cleaning case. I love everything that they give you, and I'm obsessed. Like even the little microfiber cloths says Cartier like crazy. I got the birth certificates. They say they're 18K gold. They say serial number. So let me quickly clean this up. There's just so many red boxes here. Like it's just crazy. I'm gonna move these aside, and I just quickly want to show you guys the little gifts that Violetta gave us for my birthday. She just made it so special. But yeah, that's what this white bag is. I don't know if you guys noticed it, because it kind of blends into the back and it's so heavy. So my birthday did fall around Lunar New Year, so she gave us this treat, which is gigantic. And actually this year my birthday cake was from Lady M, and this gift is made by Lady M. So this Lunar New Year, it was the year of the ox. It has like this little attachment here, which is some red envelopes from Lady M for this year, and they're just so amazing. So it comes like this, right? So cool. If you guys saw my Instagram, I did a little opening in my stories, but basically it pulls out like this, and it says Lady M New York. So Lady M is like a really nice pastry place in New York. I'm pretty sure they're based out of New York. You guys can see all the little snacks and their nutrition facts. But basically, it's magnetic, and you pop it open like this. Like, so exciting, right? She showed me how to open it, and like I was stunned. And then the middle, chocolate coins. Chocolate coins, like amazing. I love the extra effect that made when they fell out. So cool. I can't wait to eat these with my friends. Like, it's just so cute. So I'll just go around really quick and tell you guys the little treats. So this is the Year of the Ox gummy. Harmony hazelnuts. So that sounds good. Golden orb puffs. Interesting. Lucky tangerine gummies. Ooh, and they're shaped like little tangerines. Really cute. Prosperity pink almonds. So cute. And in the middle is chocolate coins. So lastly, this was a gift from Violetta to me and Cody. Cody really was interested in this. So we were gifted a coffee table book from Violetta. So this is a Cartier coffee table book. It's so beautiful, and I think when me and Cody move and have our own apartment, we will place this somewhere, and we'll always think of this time, and it's so beautiful. It just shows you a bunch of Cartier like creations, designs. They're just beautiful to look at. I think I really like this one because it's just diamonds. But yeah, I looked through it like at the store, but I can't wait to sit down and look at it. Do just keep it here at my best friend Trey's house because she can display it for us. We can't really display it right now, so yeah, super cute. It's actually really, really heavy, and I've been wanting to know what it looks like without the sleeve, so let's open her up. Wow, this is what it looks like without the sleeve. It's stunning. I love it so much. And yeah, this is a gift. Like, apparently Cartier doesn't sell their books, and they're just gifts to like clients. So we're clients. Like, I'm so honored. Me and Cody have been lucky enough to like shop with different brands, but I do have to say like Cartier really makes you feel special. And like, if you're looking to give luxury high-end jewelry as a gift, like definitely consider Cartier because they just go above and beyond. So yeah, that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Me and Chobi say thank you. If you guys like this video, please give it a like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm just so grateful and so happy. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good Valentine's Day. And yeah, I just can't wait for what my 26th year holds. So with that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!